YouTube? What's going on, man? Back with another video, man. Today, we are here at a car meet, man. And look what we got. An SS already. I'm in love, man. I love SS's, but yeah, man. So, also, got the camera back. So last time I didn't use the camera. This time I'm about to use it. And, yeah, so let's go get some of these cars, man. All right. Here are the fast boys and girls. Girl right there. Here we got the Civic Si 5.0. Carolina.
Fuck yeah!
That thing is sick.
I don't like cameras. No, I'm a camera hater. No, the front fitment is fire though. Like, it's
Look
really
at
good.
that.
The hatch. I'm a camber lover.
I love camber. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of love camber.
What the fuck?
Bro, this really nice, man. Sure.
I don't know if the guy's clears or not. Bro barking.
Nice. Let me get out there, though.
Nah, that's not him. That car's way too wide.
Yeah.
Might be a YouTube right now.
This is nice. That's a Viper. Fucking walk over, bro's a Viper. Like
A Viper?
yeah, like first gen Viper and
No
everything.
way.
As we're taking pictures, the guy comes over and goes, "You want to see the
Lightning.
hood? You want to see the engine?"
Right.
I say, "Yeah." Ain't
course.
nothing else I want to see, brother. Show me
Right.
that damn engine.
Dude, I seen a Viper driving past back. Yeah, dude.
Hey, bro, I'm gonna catch up with my friends though and everything.
Oh, okay,
Hey,
all
nice
right.
talking to you.
It's
Michael,
nice to
right?
meet you. Yeah, Michael.
Hey, nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you too. Oh, we got this Camaro SS. Dude, this thing is sick. Has carbon fenders. Dude, I ain't gonna lie, this thing kind of sweet, bro. This thing is so sick. What the fuck? Dude, these wheels big as hell. Carbon lip. Dude, I fuck with these. Alright, y'all, so we got a red SI. Dude, this thing is so nice. Bro. Red is really my favorite color. Dude. And he got the steering wheel done. And then super clean with the chrome. This is like kind of my spec, can't lie. Dang. Clear tails and a single exit. Oh, what is that? Not drunk. Avoiding potholes. Hey, bro, what the fuck? Not drunk, avoiding potholes. That's literally it, bro. Look at these wheels. This is so fire. This SC's super clean, bro. Dual pipe exhaust. I think these are stock exhausts though. Can't really tell. But I like the wheels. Unfortunately, it's automatic. Then we got the red GTI right here. Damn. I love red, I'm not gonna lie. Red is just super sick. 2.0T. And then the crazy thing about this one, it's a manual 2.0T Honda. This is so rare. And then we got a PRL intake, I believe. But yeah, this one's really cool. I don't know how to drive manual, unfortunately, so I couldn't be able to drive this, but dude, this thing is sick. Then it has exhaust onto it. I like it, I'm not gonna lie. We got a IS 300 right here. These are really clean headlights. What the hell? These gotta be brand new. Dude, and then we got, I don't know what wheels these are. They look pretty cool. Something I would get. It's automatic. No, you see that other steering wheel? Dang. then we got single exit. It's a single exit too. This thing's pretty cool, bro. I like this. This is one of my dream cars. I like this one. We got a Lightning right here. You hardly see these, man. Dude, like, it's chrome. Dude, chrome and black. We got a SVT. Actually, this is another Lightning. Holy shit. 2 Lightnings right here. That's crazy. And the SS right there. Okay, y'all. So we got a WRX in blue with white wheels. This is really cool, huh? I'm not gonna lie. I kind of like this one. Ooh, red Lexus down there. Dude, this one's nice. But they always be like, they be too bougie, bro. TSX. Oh, we got the cool cars down there. I'm about to go down there and check it out. Got 300 ZX. I wanted to buy this at 1.2, bro. Damn. Dude, look at these wheels. Zoom in a little bit. It's pretty cool. This is definitely a drift car, for sure. Damn. This thing is so fucking sick. What the fuck? Dude, that is crazy. Alright, y'all, so we got an Integra right here. Yeah, but yeah, we got an Integra. Let me back up so y'all can see it. This thing is really sick, man. It's tucking. We're tucking. So, damn. Dude, this thing's sick. But these are all the cars that I wanted at one point. Like, that's crazy, because, like, now I'm seeing it's like, dude, this thing is fucking fire. And it's in blue. All the cars are down there. We got a red EG coupe. A lot of WRXs. And here's a red nice gen sedan Civic. Dude, this thing's cool. I always love red. And he has new headlights, yellow. This might be a girl. Got the mirror caps. I'm gonna come back here. Step back here. Bro, this thing's pretty cool. I like the white wheels with the red. Yeah, with the yellow badge. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I like it. Big single exit 3.8 Genesis. Damn. Test drove one of these. Ooh, we got 300 right there. Test drove one of these. They're pretty cool, but me personally, I wouldn't drive that. I'm gonna be honest. 300, 250, that's Celica. All right, y'all. So we got a R3 Supra. This thing is sick. I hope it's not copyright. Then we got a SRT all the way down there. Over here. I'm gonna keep walking down to see if I can find any other cool cars. This one's pretty cool too. Dang, they got the Japanese plates. That thing is fucking fire. We got an SRT right here. I love SRTs.
Integra on top of it too, bro?
M3. Integra. They should have parked right next to me. Shit.
Oh, yeah.
And then the other one is to the side. Alright, y'all, we got an M3 right here. Dude, this one's sick. With the chrome wheels. Dude, this is
better version of my car. The fuck? This John's sick. DCT. Impact. We got two of them right here. One right here. This is John's sick right here. So fire. Comp wheels. Cord. Manual. What the fuck? What the fuck? This shit's manual. That's crazy. Manual. This nigga was driving manual? What? Damn, this shit's so hard. Look, back to back, like, bro, are we serious? Dude, this is so...
I wouldn't
This
go
SS right here is so nice.
Mike, you wanna race my car?
You're the guy I would.
We got the SVT, they're all leaving.
I wouldn't race you.
Dude, sweet ass
Yeah,
car.
that's his bone stock.
Huh?
My train's bone
There he
stock.
goes.
Yeah, I don't care if
Dude, I really like that SS, man.
Whatever. You're.
That dude is so cool.
Yeah, fucking woman. Alright. I noticed, did you just get your
Dude.
BMW?
Wow. Yeah, I did.
Oh yeah, you were the one that noticed too.
Yeah.
I noticed.
That
There
guy's
was
real
a
nice.
5.0 over there, brand new S650 5.0.
No, Alex would roll down his window and be like,
That just
hey,
came in, had
you guys
10
said I
tags
should
as well.
roll
Really?
Dude, I got you.
Dude.
There was a cammed out
These are really
LS.
nice. Oh shit. Dude, that S10 is really cool.
Ryan,
Damn.
he's talking about the SI on your wheels.
Yeah?
That's
Dude, I'm not gonna lie, that Charger is also cool as hell. I would love that, bro. Yes.
Damn, he actually moved. We got all these niggas. Yeah. All the biker niggas. GT 500. Dude. Damn. This is so sick. I had to step in the grass. Dude, this is really cool. Yeah. Really fuck with this. Dude, this GT is nice. I like this one. Shelby gas cap. With the wheels. Dude. The Recaro seats and then it's manual. This is a really nice spec, I can't lie, man. 5.0. Dude, this thing's sweet. SRT right here. Feel me? This thing's really nice as well. This is what I really came here for. Dude, this thing's sick.